In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself using Google. Let's make sure you're using Google to its fullest potential so that you can find exactly what you're looking for efficiently and effortlessly. We'll cover some intuitive steps to get you navigating like a Google Pro. First, let's open Google. Whether you're using a laptop, a desktop, or even your smartphone, you'll want to head to Google's homepage by simply typing google.com into your browser's address bar. This will bring up Google's search interface, which we'll be using as the launchpad for all our steps. Now, in the search bar, you'll want to enter your query. Let's say you're trying to find out how to download a PDF from Gmail. Type in the relevant keywords, such as how to download PDF on Gmail, and tap Enter. Google will then generate a list of results related to your search. Scrolling through these, you'll notice a variety of links, some of which might be tutorials, forum discussions, or even videos. Navigate through these results, and don't hesitate to click on links that you find promising. Just keep in mind to look for credible sources. Official sites like Google's support pages or well-known tech blogs typically offer the best advice. It can be helpful to open multiple tabs to cross-reference information if needed. As you explore the search results, Google's algorithm does a great job of ranking pages by relevance to your search terms. The top links often serve as a great starting point, but don't be afraid to dive deeper into later pages if necessary, especially if you're not finding what you need right away. Keep your eyes peeled for snippets and FAQ sections right there on the results page. Sometimes, you can find really helpful insights without having to visit an external site. Look for guide sections or tutorial videos that can visually walk you through the process. Often, sites will provide step-by-step instructions, and you might even find resources with downloadable guides or infographics to help you understand better. If at any point during your search you feel stuck, remember that refining your search terms can be a huge help. Try using synonyms or related phrases or add more specific terms related to your query. Google's autofill suggestions can provide clues on what other users have searched, which can also spark ideas for your searches. Take advantage of Google's additional features like People Also Ask and quick answer boxes, which might pop up among your results. These can introduce alternative angles you hadn't considered. With these steps in hand, you're ready to tackle Google searches like a pro. Remember, practice and exploring different angles will only enhance your skills over time. Happy searching!